vaginal dryness, you want to put a ring on it to instantly increase the vaginal secretions. One of the reasons, well, it's hormone related, right? One of the reasons is also decreased blood circulation to the vaginal area, and therefore you're going to have swelling. You're going to have vaginal dryness, which makes intercourse super painful. So how are you going to increase blood circulation, which will temporarily increase the vaginal secretions? So vagina right here. So when you get a ruler, right? Or a stick, this has to be a ruler, a stick, and you want to draw a line from your vaginal area to your wrist. So you can see it's about this area, right? So this is the area that is correlated to this area, the vaginal area, and if you you need to find a tender spot. So dig into that area, find a tender spot, and dig in for 30 seconds. Massage it in a circle for 30 seconds. You can use both arms. You can go to the other arm. So vaginal area going to the right side. So that when you find these spots and you want to press these before you're about to have sex, it should increase that vaginal secretions. But you should do it throughout the day as many times as you want to decrease that vaginal dryness. Make sure you do this. Let me know if it works, and make sure you follow me here on TikTok.